Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to paint two simple and beautiful flowers, daffodils and plumerias. So I'll start with a quick sketch of the daffodils. Nothing too detailed here. One fully bloomed flower, one half bloom, one closed bud, and just some long loose leaves. I'm going in with a really light yellow first, the Hansa yellow light, just mapping out the trumpet and the petals. Then I slowly deepen the color with a bit of warmer yellow. I'm using a permanent yellow dip and a touch of vermilion. And just a little brown in the deeper areas. I'm not trying to be too precise, just building it up gradually. For the leaves, I'm mixing blue and yellow. I'm using the cobalt blue and hence a yellow light. And I'm not gonna mix it so thoroughly. I like it when the colors separate a little, so it looks more natural that way. When you paint it on the paper, it will have this natural yellowish and green shade. You know what I mean. Okay, we will let it dry for a bit and we will move on to the plumeria. So to keep it simple, I'm drawing two flowers connected by a small branch and a few little buds. Since the petals are white, I'm using a soft gray to shape them. For this, I'm mixing cobalt blue with a bit of brown to create a gentle gray tone. I'm applying this lightly to define the shape of the petals, keeping everything soft and airy. As for the leaves, I'm using the same green mixture from earlier. You can vary your green by adding more blue for darker tones or more yellow for lighter, fresher areas. You can also mix in permanent yellow dip with a touch of red or brown to create more depth and variety. For the branch, I'm using a warmer green by adding vermilion into my green mix. And then I switch to a lighter green for the areas near the buds. And for the tree buds, I add in a touch of permanent yellow deep and vermilion to give them a soft and lively look. To paint the center of the flowers, I'm gently wetting the center area. Then I drop in permanent yellow deep to create a bright yellow glow. I would also add in a touch of vermilion and a bit of brown right at the center to make it more vibrant and eye-catching. Okay, let's get back to the daffodils. This is something that I always enjoy doing. Okay, by pressing the bristles of your brush gently against your palette to fan the bristle out, and then dip it into a darker green and lightly dab onto the leaves to suggest the veins of the leaves. We are almost done here, and for the finishing touches on the plumeria, I lightly add partial outlines using ultramarine pale. Just a few soft lines are enough. There's no need to outline everything. As for the daffodils, I'll do the same using purple lake, focusing on the petals and the inner cone shape to bring out the form. And that's it. Two simple but strikingly beautiful floral paintings. And I think any beginner can paint by following these simple steps. I hope you found this relaxing and enjoyable. Thank you so much for painting with me today, and I hope to see you in my next video. See you real soon. Bye bye.